Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to solve Instagram Reels repost option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Open on Google Play Store, then find or search Instagram application. Search on Instagram application, then tap on Instagram and tap on update. Now open on settings, scroll down, tap on apps, then search Instagram. Click on Instagram, scroll down, click on storage, click on clear data, tap on delete. Now open on your Instagram app, click on Reels option. Now you can see the Reels repost option. Thanks for watching.